reason why we went.
I can't wait to see Food in Paris next week.
It's gonna be a shit show.
Sorry, did I tap your bubble?
Oh shit, we gotta let Jindy know.
Oh,
How long does it usually last? For half an hour? Or?
Don't we put anything on your potato bit?
The one in Prince George can go on for a good hour.
Yeah. Get cold, baby.
At first, it just looked like a glitch in it.
Yeah. Oh, that was a spiral.
I've seen those smiling things before.
Yeah, these are actually nice fireworks, eh?
Wow.
Because you know that you can see what they're, you know, the patterns they're making.
My brother's cat is like shit-big, fucking dumbass. Whatever swear word they feel like calling him for the day. Actually have any.
Look in the rise, you got me still. Woo! 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 Got one!
Dinner's ready when he gets there. Yeah. Are you hungry? Bye, little daddy. I don't remember putting them away. Probably still in the trunk.
Yeah, I bought mine for kids love them.
That's what all the old ones are.
Your
They're
dinner's
like,
here, babe.
like we put them in the freezer for the bread.
Full amounts like.
Breaking sauce. You got a loose tooth? Here you go, have a little Debbie.
Well, they used to have them at Folsom Park, but the fireworks went on its own little mission
There's a lot of trees down here.
and hit somebody.
It's awesome that, eh?
It skidded
It's
off.
one person.
It skidded off the hood of a truck and hit the guy in the wheelchair.